Fox Business exclusive with Nuveen Asset Management's chief equity strategist, Bob Dahl. Listen, people have waited so long. I have Twitter followers, one in particular, Sal Morrow, constantly writes me and says, when are we going to get better returns as interest is concerned on our deposits?
Any day, Liz. Interest rates are starting to move up. We're not going to get any big returns for those savers. But as you probably know, the savings rate has moved up since the Great Recession. Uncharacteristic of the U.S. consumer, having gotten their head handed to them in the Great Recession, said, I ain't never doing that again. And they actually had done some good savings. Of course, they haven't necessarily put it in a savings account that gets close to zero. They may have bought a stock or a bond or something like that. But we think the future is going to be a little better for those Passbook savers. Well,
exactly. The Passbooks, you know, they may have increased the savings rate, but they haven't gotten rewarded for it. What are the signs we need to be looking for? We just put up a graphic, and I saw interest rates. We know the Fed is meeting. They may announce something on December 14th, and then we've got dividends. What should we be looking for in dividends?
So I think dividend growth will trump the Passbook saver. You got to find companies that are selling at reasonable prices that can give us double-digit dividend growth for a bunch of years. And I think that's going to be the sweet spot within the equity market for savers.
And Bank of America, I saw, is on your list of stocks to buy. Do you think they'll really be a beneficiary if people start opening savings accounts again?
I do. Now, financials in general should benefit from rising rates because it's going to not only steepen the yield curve, but give them something up front to be able to attract some money and lend it out long, as it were, at a higher rate. So the financials of the sector should be the ones that benefit the most. Bank of America has a current yield of only 1.5%, but I think they could have greater than 20% dividend growth for a number of years, Liz.
Interesting. It's great to get your perspective. Good to see you, Bob. Thank you so much.
Thank you.